Hi viewers, this topic is As You Like It summary. As You Like It was written by William Shakespeare. So before going to watch this video, if anyone does not subscribe this channel, please you will subscribe and tap the bell button. So further notifications will be received. So let us start. While you are going to work, you will listen this video. Everything will be there. Thank you so much. So guys, let us see this video as you like it. This one is one of the dramas Shakespeare has written. Arnaldo, the youngest son of Sir Ronald de Boys. Here, one of the characters, Arnaldo, he is the youngest son of Sir Ronald de Boys, is ill-treated by his brother Oliver. When he responds to the general challenge issued by the Dukes Wrestler Charles, Oliver tells Charles to injure Arnaldo if he can manage it. The Duke's daughter Celia and her cousin Rosalind watch the match, and Rosalind falls in love with Arnaldo. Arnaldo wins, but the Duke gets angry when he discovers that Arnaldo is the son of his old enemy, Sir Ronald de Boys. Rosalind gives Arnaldo a chain to wear, and he falls in love with her. The Duke unexpectedly banishes Rosalind, and she decides to find her father, the real Duke, who has been overthrown by his brother, Celia's father, Frederick. Duke Senior lives in the forest of Arden. Together with the court jester Touchstone, the girls set out disguised as a country boy, Ganymede, and his sister Elena. Coincidentally, Arnaldo, fearing for his life, has also left home, accompanied by his father's servant Adam. In the forest, the group from the court encounters a young shepherd, Silvius, and watch him being rejected by a shepherdess, Phoebe, as he declares his love for her. They meet an old shepherd, Corin, who is looking for someone to care over the sheep farm. Ganymede, who wants to settle in the forest, buys the lease. Duke Senior, unaware that his father is looking for him, is living a simple life with some courtiers and huntsmen. One of them is the melancholy Jacques, who reflects constantly on life. Arnaldo and Adam arrive, and the outlaws welcome them and feed them. Arnaldo hangs some love poems that he was written to Rosalind from the branches of trees. Rosalind and Elena find them. Ganymede helps him to cure his love sickness by wooing him. Ganymede as though he or she were Rosalind, a country girl. Audrey falls in love with Touchstone and abandons her faithful William because of her love for the fool. Oliver is searching for his brother. He has an accident and Arnaldo saves his life. Arnaldo is slightly injured and when he tells Ganymede about it, she faints. Oliver and Celia fall in love. Probe falls in love with Ganymede. It all becomes very complicated. Haman leads a mask. Rosalind re-emerges as a woman and her father gives her to Arnaldo. Phoebe accepts Silvius. Arnaldo's older brother returns from university with the news that Sally's father, Frederick, has retired as Duke to become a hermit. Jacques goes to join him. There is a joyful dance to celebrate the four marriages and the happy ending. So, guys, overall summary is given here. So, who are going to write MA English students? So, you please gain the knowledge, and if you have any doubts, you put in comment box. If you do not subscribe my channel, you please subscribe my channel. Thank you, one and all.